Hi, welcome. I'm Joan, and I wanted to show you one of my favorite tools that is in my sewing room, and I think you'll enjoy it in yours too, and it kind of has an unexpected use. So I want to talk to you today about the Clover Curved Tailors Awl. That is not easy to say. So one of the things that I use it for is to pick out stitches. Actually, it's the only thing that I use it for. If you are a long armer, this is a must for your sewing room. And I also use it when I'm, made a mistake in sewing. I do have a stitch remover, but I like this one better, using this method better, because I don't have all the little pieces of thread when you clip them using your scissors or your seam ripper or whatever, and it's pretty easy to use. Let me give you a real close-up view of it. And so it's just a curved point on the end of it, and it's smooth, so it drags nicely across your fabrics, but it does catch that thread really easily. So this is a sample that we were sewing on, and it's just a sample in the store, but I wanted to show you how easy it is to just pull these stitches out. And you can do this while you have your quilt on your long arm or in your sewing machine, but look how much easier that is to do. And you can pull on it and then pull the underside of the thread up and just keep going. So this is a super quick way. These are on our website. Same thing with your stitches. It's a little bit harder to see on this one because it's white on white, but you can just pick that thread up, and I'll pick out a few here so you can see how quickly that goes, and then I'll pull it off onto the other colored fabric so you can see the thread. So in just, a couple of seconds, you picked out that much of this already. So I highly recommend you have one of these in your sewing room for picking out your mistakes. Not mistakes, things happen. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy this. It's a must for my sewing room. I think it will be for yours too. And if you appreciate this content, be sure and like, follow, subscribe, notify, all the things with all the buttons.